Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare pepper mushroom gravy, where mushrooms are nutritious by nature. They are protein packed and best vegetarian alternative to meat. So let's get to see how it's prepared. You need 2 big onion chopped finely, then 1 big tomato chopped, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, coriander powder 1.5 teaspoon, chili powder 1 teaspoon, peppercorns 1.5 teaspoon, cumin 1 teaspoon, fennel 3/4 teaspoon, then mushroom 300 grams, then some curry leaves and groundnut oil. Then you need poppy seeds 1 teaspoon and cashew nuts 10. You need to grind them to paste. Now heat a kadai, add in 2 tablespoons of oil and then chop onions, saute them. Now add in the ginger garlic paste, saute till the raw smell goes. Now we'll add the sliced mushrooms and give it a stir. Now add a teaspoon of salt. Now in the meanwhile, we have to dry roast some ingredients. Now heat a pan, add in the cumin, then the fennel, and then the peppercorns. Remember to keep your flame low. Dry roast them till the cumin and pepper starts to splutter. Now you can switch off the flame and let it cool. Now add the tomato into the sauteed mushrooms and cover it for a few minutes. And in the middle, let's grind the roasted ingredients. I'm grinding it along with 2 tablespoons of water. Now when the tomatoes are mushy and soft, we'll add in the coriander powder and chili powder and saute it well. And now we'll add in the grinded paste and mix it well. After a minute, add in the cashew and poppy seeds paste. Cover and cook till the mushrooms are done. Open the lid and give it a stir. Add some curry leaves and switch off the flame. The delicious pepper mushroom gravy is ready. Let's transfer it to a serving bowl. This tastes better with fulkas, chapati, parota, or even rasam rice. Do try it out. Subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos.